Robson. There's only one Bobby Robson. One Bobby Robson. There's only one Bobby Robson. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Ladies and gentlemen, Tony the Fridge and the girls from Chester Street, Chesterfield. And I've just remembered, we've also got another birthday here. Where's Henry Hardy? Is he still here? Henry Hardy?